Hi everyone, I want to welcome you again to this channel. In this video, I want to talk about another developing aspect in science, which is currently on great applications in solving problems in terms of health, which in particular is gene therapy. First, what is gene therapy? Gene therapy involves the use of genetic material to treat, to prevent, at the same time as a potential cure for different diseases. So, in this particular process, genetic material is being made use of in order to provide solutions to health challenges. In this process also, genetic material is delivered into the cell, which is the smallest unit of every living system, in order to change the way the cell works, and particularly to change proteins that are made within the cell. Gene therapy can be in different forms. One, it can be in terms of gene addition. It can be in terms of gene editing. At the same time, it can also be in terms of gene silencing. What is gene addition? Gene addition involves adding a new gene into the cellular system, therefore generating a new set of proteins within the cellular system. But gene editing involves the alteration or deletion of elements of a particular gene within the cellular system. But the last one, which is gene silencing, that involves adding a genetic material into the cellular system in order to reduce the activity of a particular gene. So you could have gene therapy in these three diverse forms, in terms of gene addition, in terms of gene editing, and in terms of gene silencing. Basically, gene editing usually involves the use of a molecular tool called CRISPR-Cas9. That's the major molecular tool used in gene editing. So in gene therapy also, genes can be delivered into the biological system in vivo. At the same time, it can also be delivered ex vivo. In the in vivo gene therapy, genetic material is injected directly into the body system through injection, but in the ex vivo, cells from an individual is collected and the genetic material is delivered into that cell, and then the collected cell or the modified cells are returned back into the body system. So like I said, gene therapy can be in vivo, which involves direct injection of genetic material into the body system, and it can also be ex vivo. So let's take note of that. What are the advancements that have come through gene therapy? Last year, US Food and Drug Agency approved a gene therapy treatment. This treatment is meant for treatment of sickle cell diseases, and this in a way is a showcase of how science has come to use this method in solving some of the dangerous disease challenge that is common among men. Even though the cost of this particular process is very high, about $2.2 million. You can see that's a lot of money. I believe is in the future this is going to change, and such treatment will become very available to every individual who are in need of this particular treatment and who are having such disease as mentioned. Another application of gene therapy is seen in the cure of genetic hearing loss that was was seen when this particular process was used also in a children hospital in Philadelphia last year also, where they used gene therapy in order to cure a genetic hearing loss in children. And that also is a very good success, and a very good application of what we are talking about, which is gene therapy. This process, as good as it is, also have its pros and cons. That is its challenges, but I just want you to have a kind of idea of what is going on in the science world. And probably you are a science student, and probably you are in biological sciences, or people in clinical sciences. This is also a thing that you can feel you want to pursue and solve a problem in the nearest future. But for me, I want to say this particular method of treatment has really been very helpful in providing solutions to disease that has been a challenge to human health, as let's say sickle cell anemia, hearing loss, genetic hearing loss in children. But what to ask ourselves is, what should we expect from all of these things? What should be what will be the long time outcome of some of these things, even though you can't see them now? But we hope that all of these things will not have bad effects on the entire human race in the nearest future. That's our hope. That's what we could all hope for at a time like this. But this is a promising aspect of science that I believe is very interesting, and that's why I'm bringing it to us in this particular video. And I want to believe that this video in a way as gets you informed. So it means that in this current world that we have, genetic material can always be transferred into your system in order to solve any problem or any challenges that one may have. And that is a very beautiful thing. That's a very beautiful thing to get to know. So I want to believe that if you have not heard about gene therapy before, this video will have informed you about what is going on. And if you want to know further about this, you can just go online and just type gene therapy, see a lot of work that has been done on this particular topic. And I hope that you would find this very interesting. So at the end, I want to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope to bring something more informative and something more educative to your view. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you.